How to use Lyft Cash. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Lyft Cash. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Lyft Cash is an alternative payment method embedded within the app that you can preload with cash at a retail outlet near you. To use the Lyft Cash, find Lyft Cash in the Payment tab of the app menu and tap on the Add Cash option. Next, choose the amount you want to add to your Lyft Cash balance, no matter if it's $25, $50, or $100. Further, enable Auto Refill to automatically top off your balance when it dips below $15. Now, tap on the Find a Store option to see the locations near you and further show your barcode or ID number to the store cashier. Now add the cash and your Lyft Cash balance will be instantly updated. Now you are ready to ride. Note that if cash is the only payment method on your Lyft account, you will need to submit your ID before your next ride. Also, you will only need to do this once. So, this is how you can use Lyft Cash. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.